Come now, Anna. We've talked about Jumper. He just does not want to be a show horse. You couldn't even win a carrot with that horse.
But we've worked really hard and we've made such good progress. Please don't let me down, okay? Nice and strong. Faster!
Why don't you go have a nice ride out in the fields?
Don't worry. We will show them. We can do this. Just jump as high and as far as you can. Yeah! Oh, watch the bars! Are you injured? I'm fine.
Anna, please don't do that. You'll get hurt with this wild horse. Besides, he has to be in top shape tomorrow. I finally found a buyer.
You can't do that. He will be ready before the big summer tournament. Just give me a couple more days, please.
You've put in a lot of effort. I'm very proud of you. I suppose you got that persistence from me. But be realistic. You simply cannot do this. That horse cannot be taught.
Papa, give her another day. We're all gonna help. We'll make it happen.
I'm sorry, children. It's too late for that. The buyer will pick him up tomorrow.
No! You can't do that. You can't just give him away like that.
It's over. I am not wasting a single carrot on him. Let go of him. As you wish. You have to bring him to the paddock and clean him up. He is leaving tomorrow.
You are my friend. I won't give up on you. I know you can jump. Your timing is just off.
Just try again, sis. You can do it. I know you can.
If I can't do it, who will?
It was worth a try. It's not going to be my horse, that's for sure.
Our turn. Distract him for us.
Easy does it, boy.
1, 2, 3, up! Now it's my turn.
Paula, no, you've just barely learned to ride.
That's a good boy.
Yeah, great, you're up. Now get back down, please.
Nice, Paula. She's a natural.
I would like to attempt some jumps with him.
Don't be ridiculous. You have no clue about riding. It requires years of training, like me, and a bit of talent.
Hey, children! What are you doing? Why did you let our guest get on that crazy horse? Don't let her parents see that.
You see, now get down.
Anna, clean him up and say your goodbyes.
You've made things more complicated. I understand why you're upset. Dad is just wrong. I don't know what to do. You are not a thing that can be sold off just like that. Yes, that's it. I will hide you until the buyer leaves. You are really tall. That won't work. I have to take you away. Shh. Come on now. Yeah. Yes, it's pretty scary. Should we really go in there? Easy, Jumper. We have to get through there. That would be a great hideout. You have to jump, or do you want me to carry you? Oh no. That was not part of the plan.
Although, I can't really guard the palace's secret exterior staircase at the same time.
A secret staircase? Florin?
Well, well. The princess. All alone in the night?
How do you know me?
I know a lot of of things invisible to the naked eye, Finya. I also know you are looking for a young man who you love.
Florin! So you've seen him then?
He wants to go to the palace. He's looking for you.
No. If Grandma finds him, she'll kick him out.
There might be a solution, Finya.
Really?
Legend has it that two lovers from different worlds will stay together if they touch the magic crystal on the North Mountain, and only then can Winterworld go on.
The magic crystal?
But only true love can set the spell alight.
Are you able to take us there?
The way to the top is very dangerous.
So let's not waste any time. Hey, over there! Hurry!
Oh,
Florin!
No! Wow!
What, did I scare you?
To North Mountain? Are you sure about that? I hope that she's not foolish enough to actually believe in that old legend. If she takes the path over the ice steps, she'll be lost forever. Ahaka, you have to go get her back. I could never forgive myself if something happened to Finya.
Me neither.
I can't breathe.
Oh, sorry, madam.
Get that Florin back to the portal, Ahaka. He must never endanger Finya and the Winter Kingdom again.
Be careful out there. The steps are ancient and dangerous. I can't help you any further beyond this point. You must travel this path alone. Good luck.
Thank you. For everything.
Guess you used this thing to activate it?
We went easy on him long enough. Yeah! He'll never catch us.
Oh, yeah? I'll get you! Faster!
Try a little harder next time. Horse racing isn't fun anymore without a
What?
real opponent.
Horse racing? I just had to be careful so you wouldn't fall off again.
Yeah, right. You wish. Imagine, instead of horseback riding, I could be dancing. I know! Let's try and go to the masquerade ball.
Forget that. One day I'll marry a princess and I'll invite you to the wedding. Come on, you dreamer. The horses need tending. Come on. Yeah.
Oops, I wasn't ready for the turn.
Cheer up, Princess, and remember, keep on smiling.
I'm sorry.
We still have a whole week to practice.
Darling, hurry. We're invited for tea. We need to practice the violin, and there was something else.
Riding lesson?
No, you don't have time for that. Oh, of course, the fitting for your ball gown.
I don't want to go to this silly ball. I want to learn to ride a horse.
I have invited many people from around the world to the masquerade ball so that you can finally make friends.
What's the point of having friends you only see once a year?
But darling,
Besides, you forgot about the Spanish lessons. Unfortunately, the fitting has to wait until tomorrow. The stables. Hush! Am I in the right place to learn horseback riding?
No offense, girls, but I need my beauty sleep.
Yeah, well, there's not much you can do that will help. Trust me, beautiful prince. It's a little late for lessons today. Come back tomorrow morning.
I don't have time during the day. He's still awake.
Bad idea. He's a very restless horse. Careful! Not bad. Ever since Pevo tripped over his own feet, he hasn't let anyone ride him.
I understand that.
I thought I recognized you from somewhere.
I don't want to be a princess. All I want is to ride a horse.
Well, you can ride a horse every day. But as a princess, you get to go to the masquerade ball.
What do you mean I get to? I have to go. My mom organized this silly ball just for me.
Really? So you will perform the main dance?
Don't remind me. I feel like crying.
Come on, princess. Surely you dance like a fairy.
Fairy? More like an elephant.
Nonsense.
Ask Antonio, my dance instructor. He has bruises to prove it.
Come on, swing your hooves. Ouch! Okay. You're better off riding a horse.
What if you take my place at the ball? Then I shall take care of your horses. Let's meet at sunrise at the top of the highest castle tower.
Wait a second.
Goodbye.
Just a moment. Till tomorrow, then.